Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this hand mixer. This is a nice mixer. Comes with a nice stand for you to sit on so it can stand up there, or it does even stand on its own, but this way it'll kind of collect a little extras if you're using that. It does come with 3 different styles of beaters. You have the regular beater, you have a dough hook, and you have a whisk, and they just attach right in here. Super easy to do. You want to take them out, you just press this button, it pulls it out, and you are ready to go. It does have a nice screen right here on the back that whenever you turn it on, you can easily just select what you're gonna do. They start going. You have 5 different speeds that you can put this on. Roll it back down. It also has a turbo boost that you can actually bring it up to a 6th speed. Now I'm gonna let my daughter use it here and put it on these eggs. So whenever you turn it on, there you go. And it is whisking these eggs up, I mean, really nicely. It's doing a great job. And then whenever you wanted to boost it up and get that last final thing, you can easily, there you go, she's got it under control. I mean, so this can be used for all sorts of different things, whether it's eggs, dough, cookies, whatever you want. You've got this nice space-saving mixer. I love how you can just set it up, it drips off, and does its thing.